The coin you just got back after returning a shopping cart at Aldi is actually helping the supermarket chain save millions of dollars every year. You walk into Aldi thinking you understand their model: simple shelves, fewer brands, low prices. But behind those shelves is an operating system so ruthlessly efficient that it gives many major supermarket chains a headache. From the reason cashiers scan items at an almost unbelievable speed, to the strategy that makes milk at Aldi nearly half the price of the market average. These are 11 Aldi shopping secrets that most customers never realize. In the grocery retail industry, profit margins are usually extremely thin. According to retail industry reports, many major supermarket chains operate with margins of only 2 to 3%. That means even a small operational mistake can cost a supermarket chain millions of dollars. That's why retail corporations are constantly trying to reduce labor costs, optimize supply chains, and increase checkout speed. But Aldi took this idea further than almost anyone else. Instead of optimizing small parts of the system, they redesigned the entire retail model from the ground up. And that system created a series of shopping secrets most consumers never understand. 11. The Mystery Trolley Program. Most customers believe Aldi is cheap because they sell lower quality products, but the reality is the complete opposite. Every month, Aldi sends mystery shoppers to randomly selected stores. They fill an entire cart with everyday items such as milk, bread, vegetables, frozen foods, canned goods. Then all of those products are sent to Aldi's internal testing laboratories. There, technicians examine freshness, actual product weight, packaging quality, and even flavor consistency between production batches. If any discrepancies are found, the store may receive penalty points and employees could lose part of their bonuses. This creates enormous pressure. Every Aldi store must maintain extremely strict quality standards. In other words, Aldi isn't cheap because they cut quality. They're cheap because their control system is incredibly efficient. 10. The shopping cart coin that saves millions. Aldi shopping carts have a unique feature. You have to insert a coin to use one. Many people think it's just a small rule. But in the retail industry, this small detail has a massive impact. Most supermarkets have to hire staff to collect shopping carts from parking lots. This seemingly simple job can cost millions of dollars in labor every year. Aldi eliminates that cost entirely with one simple coin system. Customers return the cart themselves to get their coin back. An incredibly simple solution, but an incredibly effective one. 9. The secret of the cardboard boxes. If you've ever shopped at Aldi, you may have noticed something unusual. Many products are still sitting inside their cardboard boxes on the shelves. In traditional supermarkets, employees usually have to open every box, take out each individual item, arrange the products neatly on the shelves. This process takes a significant amount of time. Aldi designed its entire supply chain very differently. Products are packaged in cardboard boxes that can instantly become display shelves. Employees simply need to open the top of the box and place it directly on the shelf. This system allows a single Aldi employee to stock shelves many times faster than workers in traditional supermarkets. 8. Cheap spices, but made in the same factories. If you buy spices at Aldi, you'll often see the brand Stone Mill. Their prices are usually 3 to 4 times cheaper than well-known brands. But here's a fact that many people in the food industry know. Many food manufacturing plants produce products for multiple brands at the same time, including major national brands and private label supermarket brands. This process is called co-packing. In many cases, Aldi spices are produced on the same production lines as famous brands. The biggest difference usually isn't the product itself, it's the marketing and the packaging. 7. Wednesday is the best day to hunt for deals. Long-time Aldi shoppers know one thing. If you want to find the best bargains, go to Aldi on Wednesday. That's when special buys hit the shelves. These limited-time items can include kitchen appliances, sports equipment, gardening tools, small electronics. And their prices are often only a fraction of the typical market price. But there's one important detail Aldi brings in extremely limited quantities. Once they sell out, they disappear from the shelves. 6. Local produce is fresher than you think. The produce section at Aldi may look fairly simple. There are no elaborate misting systems or flashy organic advertising signs. But if you take a closer look at the origin labels, you'll notice that many products come from local farms. The reason isn't marketing, it's logistics. Produce begins to deteriorate the moment it's harvested. The longer the transportation distance, the more the quality declines. By sourcing produce from farms near their distribution centers, Aldi is able to reduce transportation costs, product loss and spoilage, and storage time in warehouses. 5. The price trap of famous brands. Many customers assume that everything at Aldi is cheaper, but that's not entirely true. Aldi is extremely competitive when it comes to their own private label products. However, for well-known national brands, prices can sometimes be higher than at other supermarkets. The reason is simple. Aldi doesn't purchase these branded products in the massive volumes that traditional supermarket chains do. Because of that, they don't have the same pricing advantage. The smart shopping strategy at Aldi is simple. Focus on their private label products. 4. The secret behind Aldi's lightning fast. Cashiers. One thing that surprises many shoppers at Aldi is how incredibly fast the checkout process is. This isn't just because employees receive special training. It's largely because many Aldi products have multiple barcodes printed on the packaging. No matter how the cashier picks up the item, the scanner can read it instantly. This small design detail helps Aldi reduce checkout time, operate with fewer employees, and serve customers much faster. 3. The loss leader. Strategy with milk. One of the most well-known products at Aldi is milk. Its price is often significantly lower than the market average. In the retail industry, this is known as a loss leader strategy. A product is sold at a very low price to attract customers into the store. Once shoppers are inside Aldi, they usually end up buying additional items like bread, eggs, cheese, vegetables, and that's where the supermarket actually makes its profit. 2. The hidden cashback trick. Even though Aldi doesn't have a traditional loyalty points program, there's still a way to save extra money. Some cashback apps allow you to take a photo of your receipt and receive money back. According to many frequent shoppers, these small refunds can add up to hundreds of dollars in savings each year. 1. Instant discounts at checkout. Here's a secret that many customers don't know. If you notice a product with a dented box, a torn label, or slightly bruised fruit, try asking the cashier. In many cases, they can apply a discount immediately. This helps Aldi reduce food waste and allows customers to get a better price. Aldi isn't just a discount supermarket. It's a retail system engineered with extreme efficiency. From the supply chain, product display strategies, to pricing tactics, every detail is optimized to reduce costs and keep prices low. That's why Aldi can compete with some of the largest supermarket chains in the world. But here's the interesting question. Which secret surprised you the most? Leave a comment below. And if you enjoy market investigations like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Because sometimes, the most fascinating truths about major brands are hidden in the small details we rarely notice.